Brajavasi. Let them go in happy mood. No, not unsatisfied. If they are unsatisfied, you will lose some blessing. And their Brajavasi are very simple, very easily pacified. Few money, no problem. Okay, good.
But Maharaj, most of them were not giving, so they are unsatisfied. Most of them were not giving.
No, especially who is coming here, and that is
Yes.
everyone you can do.
Can't do.
At least who is coming and speaking
Yes.
something,
Yes.
and Brahmanas. At least.
Is that beside?
Yeah. So now the place where we are sitting, this is called Baladev or Dauji. Name really it is not village before. It was one forest. The name of the forest is called Vidrumamon. Vidrumamon. That Vidrumamon. It is a separate small forest. That is Gokul Mahavan. It is inside Mahavan, but the small forest is Upavan. This is called Vidrumamon. So here Baladev Prabhu was coming with Krishna and coward boyfriend to graze the cows. Small cow. He was not able to graze the cows because he was small here. Only 3 years, no more. So he has no permission. So just he was coming to play here. And because very close to Gokul. So specially Baladev Prabhu was coming here. So priority of Baladev Prabhu this year. So according to his name, this became Baladev. Name of the village is called Baladev or Dauji. According to Baladev Prabhu's name. But the forest is Vidrumamon. What is the story behind this? Vajranav, Krishna's great grandson. When he came to Brajamandal, he was discovering all the pastime places of Krishna under guidance of Sandilya Muni, according to Skanda Puran. In Skanda Puran it is said that Sandilya Muni was guiding to Vajranav. Oh, Krishna did this pastime here, this pastime here. So according to the pastimes, he was installing the deities. And according to the ponds, he was installing the ponds. So all the ponds and the deities installed by Vajranav is under guidance of Sandilya Muni and Bhaguri Muni. And some guidance of Gargacharya. But he did not give more guidance because he was in Mathura. He was under Kansa. But Nanda Baba was taking care of Sandilya Muni and Bhaguri Muni. So Nanda Maharaj's priest is Sandilya Muni and Bhaguri Muni. And Vasudev's priest is Gargacharya. He was staying in Mathura. So mostly our Vajranav installed the deities and ponds all under guidance of Sandilya Muni. So when Baladev, Vajranav came here, then here he installed the deity, which you saw Baladev Prabhu. What is the significance of this deity, you know? Baladev Prabhu is normally what color? White. But here is black. Why?
Separation.
Huh?
Separation.
Separation mode. Separation mode, when he came here to in separation mode, then thinking about Krishna, his complexion changed. So this is the reason of Baladev's Vigraha or bodily complexion becoming like Krishna, black. The reason is separation of Krishna. And the second reason is, near Baladev one is who? Revati. Why Revati is not together with Baladev? Huh? Because of Braja, it is not clear. Baladev Prabhu did not marry Revati in Braja. So nobody knows here. So it is not clear. He married in Dwarka. So here in Braja he did not marry, that's why Revati is staying behind, in distance.
He's hiding.
Hiding. Yeah. So you have to see coming this side. Otherwise, if you see straight, you cannot see because she is hiding. Now the pond we are looking, this is called Sankarsana Kunda. or Kheer Sagar. Synonyms. One is Kheer Sagar, one is Sankarshan Kunda. Both are okay. According to this Brajvasi, he spoke different other thing also. There are 2-3 opinions are there. He spoke this Baladev deity was before inside the ground. According to him, no problem anyhow, Baladev Prabhu appeared. So, according to his opinion this, but I will tell other opinion also. According to his opinion, Baladev Prabhu was underground, and there was one cow whose name is Shama cow. She was coming, always giving milk there.
Like Govinda.
Huh?
Like Govinda.
Like Govinda. So when the cow had when he was thinking, when he was milking the cow, no single drop is coming. Then he was very surprised. Who is taking? Who is milking the cow? I am feeding, and who is milking the cow? So then he could not know. Then he came and inquired. Then he said, this cow is going one place and giving all milk. Then he came to follow. Then he came and saw that the cow is giving all milk here. Then why this cow is giving milk here? They wanted to know. Then they digged that land. Then from that land they got this Baladev Prabhu. This is according to this Brajvasi and others telling. But I heard from our Gaudiya Vaishnava Acharyas that this Baladev Prabhu was inside this Sankarshan Kunda, inside. That is also looking appropriate. Why? The only deity who did not go Jaipur, here also, in this place, in Gokul, Baladev Prabhu did not want to go to Jaipur. Although this is very big deity. So, Aurangzeb could have taken this, but he could not know due to influence of Baladev Prabhu. Baladev Prabhu made one pastime so that nobody was able to know what he did the pastime. He inspired to the pujaris, servants, to put here. So they brought here and put, so that no one was able to see. So it is Baladev Prabhu's desire that he was here. When Aurangzeb came and after destruction of all temples returned, after that Baladev Prabhu gave inspiration to take from here. Then they discovered this deity and put this deity in the temple. So this is the story of Baladev Prabhu's appearance. But it is not really appeared. It is made by Bhajana Prabhu. Bhajana made before under guidance of Sandilya Muni. But when Aurangzeb came, he was destroying all the temples. Then he was here inside. So Baladev Prabhu did not want to go. Like Brinda Devi in Kamyavan, she did not want to go. Baladev Prabhu also did not want to go. So he is Baladev. He is the possessor of all Bala. All the energy which every living entity having, all are due to blessings of Baladev Prabhu. Without Baladev Prabhu, a jiva cannot do anything. Whether material activity or spiritual, both. That's why our Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur Prabhupada, he was speaking always, without Baladev Prabhu's blessing, jiva cannot do bhajan. Because Maya is so strong that you will be defeated very easily. Only by one eyebrow movement, jiva can fall down. So he has no strength to fight in this material world. Then how he can do bhajan? So we should pray to Baladev Prabhu always to give the energy and strength so that we can fight Maya, we can fight with all the obstacles and become stronger to practice Krishna's bhakti. So without Baladev Prabhu's blessing, we cannot maintain our bhakti due to weakness. So this Baladev Prabhu is the possessor of all strength and energy. So if we pray him, by his blessing we become strong enough to practice bhakti till reaching our destination. So we should pray to Baladev Prabhu to get more energy and strength so that we will have no problem to practice our bhajan. This problem is coming due sickness coming due to lack of blessing. If Baladev Prabhu blesses, no sickness will come. So today pray more for Baladev Prabhu. If Baladev Prabhu blesses, no sickness will come. Whole month you stay healthy. So today we can pray to Baladev Prabhu to shower his merciful glance and empower his energy so that we will be very strong enough to fight with Maya and to fight with the disease, etc., so that they cannot influence us. Otherwise, they can create problem. We are looking this, how all are becoming sick, etc. So we should pray again to Baladev Prabhu here that he should give Bala so that we become stronger to fight with Maya and to fight with the disease, so that they cannot become obstacle in practicing and observing our Damodar Vrata. So according to Baladev Prabhu's pastime and his name, this became Sankarsana Kunda or Kheer Sagar. The synonym is Kheer Sagar. So Baladev Prabhu was inside this Kunda. After Aurangzeb's influence finished, when he became silent, no more breaking, then after that Baladev Prabhu inspired to the devotees that I am here in this Kunda, you take me. Then Brajavasis came and took from this pond, then they constructed that temple, then installed there. So this deity was discovered from here, but he was not originally manifested here. Originally installed by Bajranath. And why he became black? Due to feeling separation mode. And why Rebati is distance? Hiding because of not public marriage here. Baladeva does not marry here, Krishna also does not marry here. He is there marrying in Dwarka. That's why here Rebati is not coming from, hiding. Understand?
Yes.
So these are the brief stories about Dauji or Baladev, and other things we will discuss in Gokul, because we have many places. Otherwise we will have problem of eating the lunch delay. Like one day when we were in Nandagram, all were hungry. So if you listen more Harikatha here in one place, then you have to suffer for hunger. And we can, huh?
Food for life.
But everyone should tell, not only you. That we're hungry. They tell. That's why. So I am telling to everyone. For me, no problem.
Parikshit Maharaj didn't feel any hunger or thirst for 7
But
days.
all are not becoming parikit. So they should become parikit, no problem. I can speak, no problem. Tomorrow I am doing Nirjala complete, no problem. Yes. But devotees are hungry. Already took something, huh? So now we can breakfast here or where? Breakfast? Car. So there we will take. Chintaharana Ghat, that is good for eating. Yes, so we can go now. Yes.
Where?
Chintaharana Ghat. Yeah, we are taking lunch there. No problem. Yeah, all problem. Chinta will go. Okay. Okay, now, because if we stay more here, other places will close. Yes. So better. And mostly I spoke, no more fasting here. Almost. बोल श्री बलदेव जी प्रभु की जय, बलदेव प्रभु की जय, विद्रुमन की जय, महावन की जय, रेवती महारानी की जय.
Revathi Maharani also